Hi everyone, I'm Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about an exciting upcoming premium residential landmark which is located in Bangalore. If you're exploring luxury apartments, weekend living or a high value property investment, then today's project will definitely interest you. In this video, we will discuss the overall project overview, location advantages, infrastructure and amenities, apartment configuration, and most importantly, the investment potential. We will also share a few insights that can help you make a better residential property decision. So now let's talk about today's project. So if you're looking for a premium township that offers lush greenery, modern design, and world-class amenities, then this project could be an interesting opportunity for you. Today we are featuring Godrej Bannerghatta. It is a thoughtfully planned township that brings together luxury, comfort and smart connectivity. Residents here can enjoy a perfect balance of lifestyle and convenience. If we talk about the scale and architecture of the project, so this development is planned on approximately a 35 acres prime land parcel. The project will have around 15 residential towers with an elevation structure of 3 basement plus ground plus 32 to 34 floors. It will offer 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK luxury apartments. Around 80 to 87% open green spaces with lush landscaping and a grand clubhouse of approximately 70,000 square feet. This means it is not just about apartment but a complete luxury living ecosystem where families can enjoy both lifestyle and leisure. Now let's talk about the location advantage, because honestly in residential real estate project, location is major game changer. The project is located on Bannerghatta Main Road close to Greenwood High International School. Connectivity highlights include Bannerghatta Main Road, which is approximately 0.5 kilometers away. Electronic City IT Hub is around 9.5 kilometers away. Silk Road Junction is about 7 kilometers. Outer Ring Road is around 10 kilometers and an upcoming metro station is approximately 2.4 kilometers away. This means connectivity to major IT hubs, schools, hospitals and workplaces across Bangalore is quite seamless. So now let's talk about the project amenities. So residents here will have access to a clubhouse for social and community activities, a swimming pool and kids play zone for family leisure, a fully equipped gym for fitness, jogging and walking trails for an active lifestyle in open green surrounding, also landscape garden and forest facing apartments for privacy and serenity, a mini cricket ground and sports facilities and 24/7 security within a gated community. Overall, the project is designed to create a modern, nature-first luxury township experience. And if we look at the apartment configuration, so the tentative sizes are as follows, like 2 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from approximately 1200 to 1300 square feet, 3 BHK plus 2T with a carpet area starting from approximately 1444 to 1680 square feet, 3 BHK plus 3T with a carpet area starting from approximately 1900 to 1950 square feet, and 3.5 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from approximately 2100 square feet, and the 4 BHK with a maid's room around 2700 square feet. The expected pricing is around 13,200 rupees per square feet, and the EOI booking amount have also started with approximately 6 lakh rupees for 2 BHK, 8 lakh rupees for 3 BHK and 10 lakh rupees for 3.5 and 4 BHK units. From an investment perspective, the project is currently at a pre-launch stage, and typically pre-launch phases provide early buyers with better pricing and future appreciation potential. And when you combine brand value, location and the scale of the township, this project could be attractive for end-use, long-term investment as well as for rental demand. For brochure details, the latest pricing, payment plans, or to schedule a private site visit, you can check the link in the description below. NRIs from the US, UK, UAE, Europe and Singapore can also connect with us for a virtual presentation. And if you enjoy premium residential project like this, so make sure to subscribe to Property Cloud and don't forget to press the bell icon. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.